In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the year-end in QuickBooks Online, ensuring you have your accounting period set up just the way you need. Let's get started. First, direct your attention to the top right corner of your QuickBooks Online interface. Here, you'll find the gear icon, which serves as your entry point to many of the key settings we'll be adjusting today. Go ahead and click on this gear icon. Once you've done that, a menu will appear with a range of options. What you want to do next is select Account and Settings. This selection will take you into the heart of your QuickBooks configuration, where your account preferences and settings can be tailored to fit your specific business requirements. Now, as you look over to the left side panel, you'll see a series of tabs. Navigate over to the Advanced tab. The Advanced tab is specifically where we can make more in-depth tweaks, such as changing the year-end, as part of configuring the foundational elements of your financial setup. In this advanced section, focus your attention on the accounting area. You'll find this section right near the top, designed specifically to handle the core financial parameters, including our task today, altering the start and end of your fiscal year. Here, it's time to make our key adjustment. You'll notice an option to edit the first month of the financial year. This is the pivotal step. The month you select here as the first month will also subsequently set your fiscal year end. For illustration, should you choose January as the starting point, your financial year will wrap up at the end of December. It essentially sets the boundaries of your accounting cycle neatly according to the needs of your business or regulatory requirements. So be mindful when selecting this month, as it needs to align with your financial reporting and tax obligations. Once you've determined and selected the appropriate first month, the next step is to solidify your change by clicking the Save option. This will make your choice effective within the system. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully adjusted the year-end to match either your business's structure or any new fiscal requirements you may have encountered. And there you have it. The process of changing your year-end in QuickBooks is both straightforward and quick, allowing for greater flexibility in managing your business's finances. If you have any more adjustments or settings to modify in QuickBooks Online, knowing how to access and navigate these settings will undoubtedly make your life a whole lot easier. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next tutorial.